What's up, guys? We are back here at the Park Performance Garage tonight, and we just finished up this install on this wicked awesome 2018 and up Mustang GT. This is a performance pack car. Robert, our good friend and a repeat customer, hashtag repeat offender, brought us his car back. It's been lowered on Eibach Springs for a little while, and he was looking to change it up now for his next trip to the Tail of the Dragon, which, if you don't know, we are headed up to Ponies and Smokies in March to hit the tail. We're gonna hit the Churlo Highway. We're gonna hit it all. We're gonna check it out. But anyway, we want to wrap this video up and let you know this is our friend Robert. You can find him at Gaijin50 on Instagram down below. Robert, tell us, why'd you pick the parts you picked today, and what parts did we put on for you today?
All right, first off, I want to say thank you to these guys and everyone. Alex here too, he's not here with us. I love these guys. I live over 2.5 hours away, and I take this drive multiple times, and I take it multiple more times because these guys treat me literally like family, and they know exactly what they're doing, and it's just, they're amazing. I love them. I wish I lived closer. I want to move every time.
We're trying to get them to move closer.
I want to move
trying
every
to
time.
get them closer.
So, like they said, I immediately, when I bought the car, bought Eibach Sportlines. I had an EcoBoost before that. For these guys are the reason I had that. I had a Sportlines on that. I liked it, but I did more of a street build. This car, I want to turn more into a track car. Go to PBIR and Sebring more, and the Tail of the Dragon, of course. So Sportlines are a little too low for me, my preference. So I wanted to change that, and also to kill two birds with, well, multiple birds with one stone. I got the Ford Performance track dampener, so new shocks and struts for track duty. And I wanted to pair them with the BMR Handling Springs. Those have more spring rates of comparable to a GT350. So again, more aimed at more handling. We also, since we're putting on the new shocks and struts, I decided to go with the J&M Motorsports rear upper shock mounts, because I've heard that when you lower your car, the stock OEM ones have been known to fail, so why not beefing that up too? And the other thing we did is the Steeda front roll center correction kit. Hard to say, kind of long, but it's just front control arms and the bump steer kit, which if you lower your car, they say if you lower your car in the front over 1 inch, the center of gravity lowers down. So going into turns, you have more confidence. It's better when you get to align it, and it gives you more confidence, which I noticed on the Dragon. This car handles amazing. I have a whole bunch of BMR IRS components and everything else. But I did notice that the Eibachs were somewhat of a limiting factor, so I wanted to change those out and also get these new control arms, because it basically evens everything out and just makes it more like OEM, but also giving you more confidence in the turns, which again, track car, that's what we're going for. So I'm excited. It rides nice. It needs an alignment badly, but I will get that done within the next couple days. I'm looking forward to the 2.5 drive hour home with my hands gripped to the wheel, but should be fun. It'll keep me awake. I love it. I love the feeling though. It is stiff. People might be afraid that it's a little stiff, but honestly, I like a stiff car. It's a sports car. If you want luxury, don't get a Mustang. That's what's the point. Besides that though, I mean, it rides great. It definitely feels better. It's not even just a placebo yet. It definitely felt more responsive. It just rode into bumps better.
Hey, does this void your warranty?
I don't know. We'll see.
Hashtag we void warranties.
Yes, we do.
Coming at you.
We don't care about them. I don't.
But yeah, so that's gonna do it for this, guys. He's super happy with it, and definitely check out our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram page for all our stuff. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
And I will be back.